How to set up a virtual debit card on your privacy application, on the privacy website, or your privacy bank account. How you can simply add your debit card or the new debit card here on the application. To create virtual cards online, to get your debit card online here, you will have two options. First is bank or financial institutions. Second one is independent virtual card providers. For the bank or financial institutions, for large institutions like American Express, Citi, and the Capital One offer you the option to create virtual cards, but you must have a checking account or a credit line with the provider in order to use their virtual cards. You cannot access to their virtual card with no balance. Many banks and large financial institutions offer free virtual card service to their customer with eligible cards. So this is how you can check offers on for your account in according to your age, in according to your account balance, in according to how much you spend or use with that debit card. On those offers, you can simply get a virtual debit card from there. Now, we will talk about independent virtual card providers. These are the providers that will give you a credit card or debit card without any of the balance settlement. You have to sign up for the independent virtual card service to get started. The setup process include linking your debit card, bank account or credit line to the virtual card provider. Then they will give you a virtual debit card to use it, and the money will be debited from the main bank account you're gonna add in this section. So, as opposed to most banks, independent providers generally allow you to generate, customize, and manage multiple cards. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel.